It is so cold. I am dying. Not really, but it is freezing. It is currently snowing. They said there was gonna be a big snowstorm, but then when I went and looked at the weather, I thought it went away. Yeah, it's just supposed to snow until 12, so a quick little flurry, but it is so cold. I feel like this winter is so much colder than last winter, and I really took last winter for granted because it is freezing. I'm so glad I have this puffer coat that I got from Quince because it is saving me right now, absolutely saving me. But hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. It's actually the next day. I ended my last vlog yesterday, so starting right back up. I'm trying to be better this week with them because I didn't vlog for a little bit, and sometimes it's hard to get back in the swing of things, so I'm trying to be better with it this week and just whip them out for you guys. But I'm currently heading to Sprouts, actually a new location. Sprouts is a grocery store. I think they have Sprouts in a bunch of different places, but I'm not sure. But it's a grocery store. It's kind of like a health foods grocery store, kind of like a Whole Foods and stuff like that. But I'm going because I need to get sea moss. Sorry, I have no idea how to get there. I need to get sea moss because I'll tell you why. If you've been watching my vlogs for a while, I took sea moss, I want to say, I don't know when I started, but I wanted to try it out because they say that sea moss is really good for thyroid health, and I have hyper and hypo. I have genes for both, which is very, I think, uncommon. I think it's weird, but I was on a very low dosage. Is that how you say that?
In a quarter mile, turn right onto
Is that right? Well, anyway, I had a very low amount of medicine for hyperthyroidism, and is it hyperthyroidism? I'm really bad with terminology in the medical world, but anyway, hyperthyroid disease pretty much, and I was on a very low dose of it, and then I started taking sea moss, and all of a sudden I was able to come off of it when I went last. Like, my numbers were good. So I have no idea if that is related to the sea moss or not, but I really want to try it out again because during Christmas it was just chaotic and crazy, and I stopped being consistent with my sea moss, and I went back again for testing after I came off of it. Like, they wanted me to get tests like within 3 months of being off of it just to make sure my numbers were still good, and my numbers were a little bit off again. So I'm like, maybe that's because I stopped taking the sea moss consistently. But I have no idea if it's actually related, but I'm like, why not? It doesn't hurt to take it. So I'm going to Sprouts now to try and see if they have it. I tried to go yesterday to a different location and they were all out. So I'm going to this other location and hopefully they have it, and hopefully I can start taking it, and then when I have to get testing done again to see where my levels are at, maybe they will be back to normal, and then I'll really know that the sea moss, taking it consistently is really helping keep my thyroid healthy and to be able to keep like staying off the medicine, because obviously I don't really want to be taking the medicine, you know. I want to try and help it naturally instead of with medicine. So that's where I'm going now, but I just wanted to start off the vlog, and I will see you guys when I get to Sprouts. just walked in the door from Sprouts and I got a few things, not that much. I didn't go for a big grocery haul. I just needed a few things for dinner tonight and then also just to have. One being this chai latte mix. It is the Tazo concentrate. My mom loves this, so I got her some more. It was snowing outside and I thought maybe she would like a warm chai when she came home from work. And then what I really went for was the sea moss. I got the elderberry. My sister says this is the best flavor. So I got this one to start taking, which I'm really excited to start. And then my other sister wanted some jelly, so I got her this strawberry jelly. And then my sister also wanted some spirulina powder. She puts this in her yogurt bowls. So I got her more of this because she was all out. Got an onion because I think I'm gonna make a soup tonight. And then I got some more all-purpose flour for the soup. And then also my sister has started a sourdough starter, so she needed more flour for that. But that is the little haul, and I'm gonna put it away really quick and take my sea moss for the day. It is a little bit later, guys, and I am on my way to boxing. It is so cold outside. I cannot get warm. I made soup and homemade bread for dinner. I prepped it already. It's all done. The bread hopefully is good. I just looked up an easy bread recipe, like one that you don't have to have it like rise for like hours and hours. So it looks good, but hopefully it tastes good. But that is all ready to go, and now I'm on my way to boxing. But I am so tired. I took one of my Magic Mind little booster shots to hopefully give me some energy and focus for this workout. I don't know if my discount code still works for them. I had a 45% off discount like promo code. I'll link it below if it still works, but I absolutely love them so much, the sleep elixir and the mental performance shot. But yeah, I'm hoping that gives me a little boost for this workout, because I don't know how right now. I'm getting through it, but I'm hoping that kicks in soon, so I have a little boost of energy. But I'm freezing. I'm just excited to like move my body and honestly get warm, because I haven't been warm all day. It's been so cold. Just pulled in to the parking lot, about to head in. This is gonna be a brutal class. I already can feel it, but I won't regret it when I'm done. I won't regret it when I'm done. I just gotta keep telling myself. But I'm gonna head in. The night class on Thursday night, it's kind of hard to film in there because there's so many people, like all the bags are filled. So I don't know if I'm gonna film while I'm in there, but I will see you guys after my class. And I cannot wait for that, because that means I'm done. I'm dreading, but it's fine. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be great. I'm just gonna tell myself that. I look absolutely crazy, but class complete. Did it. I can't feel my ears just from walking back to my car. It is so cold. My hair has seen some better days. But gonna go home, shower, and eat some dinner. Whew. I'm so excited for that soup. Sounds so good right now. I just came upstairs to my room, and I'm about to put on the Maryland basketball game, because I'm pretty much the only one that enjoys to watch it. My sisters like watching it, but they rather watch something else, so I told them that I would come upstairs and watch it in my bed. And honestly, I love watching TV in my bed, especially right before I go to bed. I feel like it's very calming and very cozy. So I'm trying to get it on. My remote's not really working. But dinner was so good. It was definitely a very creamy soup. Like, I had to add broth in the soup before I ate it, like, because I had it sit for a while, because I made it prior to going to boxing. So I just felt like all the broth soaked up in like the orzo, so there wasn't much broth left when we went to actually eat it. So I had to add more broth in. But what I was saying to my mom, I feel like that would be the perfect filling for a chicken pot pie recipe. Like, put it in a crust instead of like the usual filling for a chicken pot pie, because I can't eat that. I'm like, I really want to try that, because I feel like that would be so good. Also, sorry for the angle. My arms are way too sore from boxing, so I can't hold up my camera. But yeah, I feel like that would be so good as a chicken pot pie, or like as a pie. I really want to try that. I've never made a chicken pot pie before, because I can't have chicken. But I feel like using that soup recipe as it would work really well. But I am just going to be sipping on my tea, watching the Maryland game. It should be on soon. The game prior just ended, so I just have to wait for them to change the channel. But I think I'm going to end off today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed spending the day with me, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye!